Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take Polaroid photos of celebrities using Nano Banana AI. If you want to create Polaroid style photos of your favorite celebrities using AI, here I'm going to show you step by step on how you can use Nano Banana AI to generate the viral Polaroid edits that look aesthetic, retro, and super shareable. So what you need to do is just open Nano Banana using Google AI Studio, and in here you can just click on this Nano Banana options to use the feature and just write your prompt. So here is the prompt that I use to create the Polaroid photo, because you need to use two photos, and here is the prompt: edit the picture to look like it's taken with a Polaroid camera, and the photo should have a little blur effect and a consistent light source such as a flash from a dark room, and change the background behind the two people. So you can also change it if you have one person, you can just change this one. So modify it based on your needs with white curtains and make the two of them hug each other in the photo. Okay, you can just click on this plus button and upload your photo. You can click on upload image, then select the photos. So I'm going to use these two photos in here. Click open. Okay, after the photo is uploaded, you can just click on run prompt in here, and then just wait until Nano Banana AI create your Polaroid photos. Okay, so now the editing photo is done. Still loading, let's just wait a few seconds. So once it's done, you can just click on the result in here, and you can click on this drop down to download the image, and you can share it on your social media. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.